Hello friends, welcome to shiksha.com. Today we will see how to fill the SSC application form 2021. Before filling up the application, the candidate should arrange the following: Aadhaar card or a PAN card or a driving license or any identity card issued by the government authority, or a school identity proof, class 10 certificate, and scanned images of photograph and signature. One important point is that the date of photograph should be printed on the photograph itself, or else the SSC will reject the form. The scanned image of the photograph should be 20 kb to 50 kb in size, and the scanned image of the signature must be 10 kb to 20 kb in size. It would be required in the registration process. Let us see the SSC application process. Search the SSC on Google search page and click on the official link. The SSC website will appear. Click on the Apply button given on the top navigation. Select the SSC tab from the given options. Click on the Apply button given just after the SSC 2021 notification. The message will appear to log in to the system. Click on the OK button. This means that SSC application can be filled only after the registration process. To register on the SSC website, go to the home page and click on the New User button. On clicking, the SSC registration form will open. The candidates can register either with their Aadhaar card or any government ID proof mentioned beforehand. After entering their ID proof, the candidates need to fill name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, education board name, roll number mentioned in their class 10 certificate, year of passing the exam, gender, highest education level achieved, mobile number, email ID, and state or UT of residence. After filling in the details, click on the Save button. An OTP will be generated and sent to the registered mobile number or email ID. This OTP will be required for saving the details. At this stage, the registration is partial and the candidates need to complete the registration process in 14 days, in the absence of which it will be automatically deleted. After registration, the registration number will be generated and the password will be sent to the registered mobile number. The candidate need to log in with the registration number and the password. After the first time login, the candidates will be asked to change their password. After changing the password, the candidates will be required to log in again with the new credentials. After login, the candidates need to click on the next button given at the bottom of the registration page. Here the candidates need to fill in their category, nationality, identification marks, disability status, permanent address, and present address. After filling all these details, click on the Save button. After saving the registration details, the candidates need to click on the Agree button and submit the registration. For final submitting the registration details, the OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number and email ID. This will mark the completion of SSC registration. Now the candidate needs to go to the dashboard and fill the SSC 2021 application form. The SSC notification and application will appear on the screen. Click on the Apply button. The SSC 2021 application form will appear on the screen where most of the details are already filled. Here the candidates need to fill their ex-serviceman status, NCC candidature status, and the 3 examination center preferences: domicile status, SSC force preference, details about the education qualification, and here the candidates need to upload the photo and signature. After uploading the photo and signature, the candidates need to agree to the declaration given in the form and submit the form. The candidates can submit the application fee online or offline after filling the SSC application form. They can also take the printout of the application form. This marks the end of the SSC application form process. Thank you and visit again.